What's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Freecash. Maybe you're wondering, can you really get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys, right? Is this the real deal? Or is this a big waste of time? Let's check it all out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's check out Freecash to find out whether this is a good way to earn or a not so good way to earn. Let's check it out, right? Now, Freecash is basically what's called a GPT website. Get paid to do something, right? And there's many ways that you can earn on Freecash. You can test apps, you can play games, and you can take surveys, which is pretty cool, right? It's available globally, right, which is really nice. And you can sign up pretty much with your email or with Google or Facebook, okay? Now, pretty easy to get started, right? You basically choose an offer, right? You complete the offer, and then you get paid. It's pretty much as simple as that, all right? And so when I log into Freecash, if I go to the survey section right here, these are all the different surveys that I can take, okay? So some of them pay pretty high, and that's the thing that I like about Freecash is that they generally pay higher than most other GPT apps out there, right? I've reviewed so many GPT applications. There's literally like 50 to 100 of them. There's a lot of them out there, right? And they work with a lot of the very similar survey partners and the paid offer partners and the gaming offer partners and stuff like that. But with these guys, they tweak it so that they're giving you more money, which is really cool. Okay, it's actually really nice of them because they don't have to do that, and that's why it's one of the more popular GPT websites out there, right? So if you look at this, I mean, look, $6 for this survey, 15 minutes. That's really high. $3 for a 9-minute survey is really high. Anything above $1 is considered very high in the survey filling space, just so that you know. I've done this so much, right? I can already tell, like, I mean, look at this. I mean, $3, $2, $2, okay, $2 here. Now, it may not always be like this because you might finish them pretty quickly, and then you can see that some of them get, you know, a little bit lower, like 81 cents, 87 cents, 64, and then there's obviously like 15 cents, 22 cents, 37 cents, right? 97. So there is a range, but the nice thing is that they do have surveys above $1, and it's much more than a lot of the other survey websites that I've actually reviewed, all right? So it's pretty good. Now, the thing about survey filling I want you to understand is that you're not going to qualify for every single survey. So you may not qualify for this survey. You may not qualify for this survey. You may not qualify for this survey, right? So you're just going to have to take them, answer some pre-qualification questionnaires, and then you might get booted out of the survey if you don't fit the right demographic, or they might allow you to take it. So you do waste a little bit of time trying to take the surveys, but you can definitely take some and be successful at it. They don't take that long. It's just sort of like background, general knowledge information on you, your interests, your sports, your hobbies, your employment, things like that, the devices you use, so many different types of surveys, and then you can earn just for answering the questions. So very, very low skills here. You don't really have to, be a certain type of person to be able to do this. Anyone can do this, right? Which is really cool. So this is one way to earn, surveys, all right? Another way to earn, so this is basically the dashboard, okay, is you can take their offers. So they have a lot of gaming offers here, right? Now, if you look at, for example, Monopoly Go, okay, I'm going to click in just to show you. The way that it works is, so they potentially pay up to $58 for this particular offer. Now, how does this work? This basically means that you have to play the game, and as you hit certain milestones, they will pay you different bonuses, okay? So if you install it, you make nothing. If you reach board 19 and you complete it, do that within 2 days, you'll get $1.80, okay? So some of these, games will require you to play them every day for 1 or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks sometimes, right? Depending on how, how effective you are at the game. All right, look at this one, $12 bonus, but you must reach board 101. Now that can take some time. That could take you, it says you must complete it within a week and 1 day. So 8 days, which might be quite hard because you might be busy with work, you might be out, you might be traveling. So you really have to focus. So, and the other thing is that you may not even be able to reach board 101 because you might not be good enough to do it, right? Not everybody's going to be good at a specific game. So just to give you an idea, They will reward you some big rewards, but not everybody's going to be able to reach it, right? And it might take a little bit more time. But if you can, then they'll pay you the $12 if you do it within 8 days, okay? Now, if you reach board 5, you get 1 cent. You reach board 12, you get 60 cents. You reach board 42, you get 51 cents. You get reach board 71, you get $1. You reach board 126, you get $2. You get the idea. As you go up, they will reward you different levels. In total, this will be $58 just for playing a game, which is pretty cool, right? So that's one example. Let me show you another example. Let's just say it's 8-ball pokerist, right? So these guys will pay out $29 in total. And you can see here, you only really start making, okay money once you reach like level 30, level 50, level 70. That takes time. Okay, but not an unrealistic way to make money. I mean, look, if you enjoy playing games anyway, you can make some money here with some of the gaming offers, which is pretty cool, all right? So you combine the gaming offers with the surveys that we spoke about, all right, with some of the other offer walls. So these are some of the biggest offer walls in the world. Time Wall, Torox, AdGate Media, Ascend Media, Lootably, right? And basically, it's kind of similar to the gaming apps, except they might be things like, downloading a piece of software, trialing a specific offer, right? Now, you're going to have to do certain things. You have to jump through a few hoops. Some of them will even require you to put down a little bit of money. It might say, put down $10, and if you finish this, we're going to give you $15. So overall, you make $5, right? But they do require credit card information. Some of them require you to sign up. So just be aware of that. You might have to cancel some, but some of the offers can be very good, okay? And they might, some of them do pay quite well, right? Now, in terms of cash out, they've got a lot of different, methods of cashing out, and the thresholds are not very high. They're pretty standard for GPT style websites, for across the board, right? And you can see right here, like for example, with Stake, you only need 10 cents. PayPal, you only need $5. Visa, prepaid cards, $5. It's not much. Okay, I mean, you can reach $5 with Freecash in a couple of days. Honestly, you could probably do it in 1 day too if you're answering the right surveys and you're doing the right offers, right? But easily 1 or 2 days you can already withdraw, which is cool. They've got crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Doge, which is really cool. All right. And that's pretty much it. So these are the main ways to earn. Now, the big question is this: how much money can you earn with Freecash, right? Because there are, there's so many different GPT websites out there. And generally, I don't like GPT websites, but I think Freecash is one of the best out of all of them, honestly. And the reason is because they've got so many surveys, which is really cool, which means that generally you're not going to run out of surveys. So if you really dedicate 2, 3, 4 hours a day filling out surveys, playing the video games and stuff like that, you could potentially make a decent amount of money here. All right. So how much? Well, let me just give you an idea of why I like Freecash. Most GPT websites, you'll earn about $1 or $2 a day because of the way they're structured, right? But with Freecash, because they pay more and they give you access to more stuff as well, no matter where you live, which is really, really cool. It's not unrealistic to make between $10 to even $30 a day with Freecash, which is really not bad, okay? Now, let's just say it's $10 on the lower end, right? Times 30 days. That's like $300 a month. Now, while you can't quit your full-time job with $300 a month, it's still way higher than most of the other GPT websites out there. Now, if you're really hustling, you're putting in like 5, 6, 7, 8 hours a day into this, right? Let's say you make like $50, or let's just say $30, just to be conservative, okay? Times 30, that's like $900, okay? Now, in some countries, $900 is a life-changing income. Okay, now in other countries, that's not considered full-time income, but in some countries, that's life-changing income. Some people don't make $30 a day. Some people don't even make $1 a day, right? So it depends on where you are and who you are, okay? So I think overall, Freecash is really cool. Definitely for a GPT website where you don't need any skills. It's free, it's global, it works, you can withdraw. By the way, they've got really good reviews too. So if you go to review websites like Trustpilot, very, very high reviews. People just say good things about Freecash, which is really rare in the GPT space. So I think, for that reason, if you want to check it out, I wouldn't necessarily use this as to replace your full-time income, but you know, for free, if you've got some spare time, if you enjoy playing games, you want to answer some surveys, you know, you don't need to learn any special skills. You can just log in for free and then do it, and they pay like pretty well. I think Freecash is a pretty cool option. So if you want to check it out, freecash.com. Okay. Now, if you're here on my channel right now watching this, and maybe you've never been to my channel before, on my channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different websites, apps, business models, different strategies, stuff like that. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Freecash is a pretty cool one. I've also reviewed some other ones as well. One of them that I used to completely change my life, I used it to 5 times my corporate salary. If you want to check out that strategy, also 100% from home, you just need a computer, your internet connection. I show you literally how I did this step by step. I've got a free masterclass that shows you how. You can click the link right below this video. All right. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you enjoyed this review of Freecash. I will see you soon on the next video review. Take care.